Hi everybody! Once I have my user interface ready for my to-do list, in the next is I want to do and connect my user interface to my coding. If you look this for left side of the screen, here this difference project file as I explained before, and I'm looking for this view controller to Swift inside for left clicking in the hold down your option key first the left click all the way until up open the editor but your storyboard open up. Now I might feel a little bit cluttered. I'm going to the top right my screen and I'm going to hide my project files, and I'm there also go hide in my object library everything for the right of the I can raise the position of the screen a little bit, and now I can see my overall storyboard and coding a lot easier. So inside of coming over here and hard coding that you can end up doing the storyboard and the programming language here is we can actually click on the thumb of the option over here, drag this over here, and it's going to end up doing so this coding for user. Just giving example for this, and I'm going to start this text file. Once I have text file highlighted, this I can I can just right click and drag, and as you drag into you kind and see with this coming out. So if I can I'm just plopping right in the center my class view controller and going to this doing come up this optional now. For connection you have outlets, action, and your outlets collection. Since this is just an outlet, for this we are going to keeping in us to so, and we are going to naming this something simple. So let's ahead and names, let's say a text set, just like so, and the rest, and we're going to give the same. Now you can see this sound has connection and add this little bit of the text for me and the programming language according. So the next this I'm going to the save this my text file, right, and here I'm going to hold down my right click and the drag. I'm going to the right in the name. I'm going to send this this time I'm going to name this text file. So now I have two different outlets. Now the only thing that's really left to do here is to add a button. I want to make sure that you click a button messages is sent. So we need and doing here we need click the submit button, and for this we're going to end up doing down a little bit to have this override function here. Or submit button is going to be right in between, so we're going to right click and drag again about line 19 and let go. But for this one, your connection inside of outlets are going to be action. Since this is something this user have to press. This for the name, I'm going to name it did tap button, just to give you this expression, and the inside going to click and connect. Now this bring to your probably think this let's okay connection and labels, but since this label static text and you're going to change, we're going to leave it is for this now. And for final tutorial to wrap up this mini project, we're going to look at this. We need specifically code in order to make all the work according. Now that we have action and your outlets connection, and you tip a little bit of your coding, then make this overall tutorial work as real as a project.